Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is unit number 7, electrochemistry, from chemistry class 9th. Now the first topic in electrochemistry is the oxidation and reduction reaction. Now we have total 4 different types of definition to explain these two processes. Now let's see and explain the terms one by one. The terms oxidation and reduction can be collectively called as redox reaction or redox reactions. There are 3 ways to explain these two processes. These simultaneous processes will be defined according to the oxygen transfer, hydrogen transfer, and electron transfer. Now, with respect to oxygen, oxidation is the gain of oxygen and reduction is the loss of oxygen. For example, in the extraction of iron from its ore, the equation is written Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 2CO3CO2. According to this, iron is being reduced with the process of reduction because oxygen is lost in this reaction. In the product there is no oxygen, while reactant there is oxygen, so a reduction is the loss of oxygen, so Fe is actually reduced. Now if you see CO, carbon monoxide, here only one oxygen is present and here there are two oxygens, so oxygen is being added. We can say that the carbon monoxide is oxidized here, so the process of oxidation occurs. So both these processes occurs simultaneously always, hence we are also calling them redox reactions. Now oxidation and reduction in terms of hydrogen transfer. With respect to hydrogen transfer, oxidation is the loss of hydrogen while reduction is the gain of hydrogen. Now let's see for a few examples. Like the first one, we have ethanol here. Ethanol is oxidized to ethanol, and we are going to study about the functional groups in our upcoming lectures. For now, just remember OH, if it is present with a carbon chain, it is always alcohol, and if it is CHO, it's always an alkenyl or aldehyde. Now by the reaction you can easily see that there are 3, 2 and 1, total 6 hydrogen, and here we have 3 plus 1, 4. So hydrogen is lost. So loss of hydrogen is known as oxidation. So we can say that ethanol has been oxidized to ethanol. Next, another example, ethanol. When ethanol gains a hydrogen, we can say it is oxidized, or we can say it is reduced in the form of ethanol because oxygen is being added. Now with respect to electron transfer, oxidation is always termed as the loss of electrons while reduction is the gain of electron. To remember this, you can memorize a mnemonic, that is oil rig. In the mnemonic oil rig, oil is oxidation is loss, OIL, while rig, the reduction is gain of electrons. So oil rig, you can easily remember it. Now let's see an example. Now here is an equation in which copper oxide is being reacted with magnesium and copper and MgO. Now in this you can see here we have oxygen present and here oxygen is not present, so it means it is reduced. Here magnesium is present and here oxygen is present, so it is oxidized. This is the simplest oxidation. But if we can explain it in terms of electrons, you can see here copper has formed a bond with oxygen by gaining 2 electrons, and here we have an atomic copper, means Cu plus 2 has been changed into Cu. So the gain of electron means it is reduction because oxygen is also lost, whereas magnesium is in its atomic form, it is stable, and here it has been changed into Mg plus 2 by losing 2 electrons to oxygen, so it is oxidized. So reduction, simply you can see this in the ionic form. Copper oxide is actually Cu plus 2 ion, it is changing into Cu, so plus 2 to 0 means it has gained electrons to remove its plus 2 charge, so it is reduced. Magnesium is atomic form here, and here magnesium has an ionic state of plus 2. It means it has lost 2 electrons to form Mg plus 2 ion, so it is actually the oxidation, which is the loss of electron. Now the description is also written. If you want to write the description, you can just simply write it from here about the process going on. Now let's see the difference between the oxidation and reduction reactions in general. With respect to electron transfer, oxidation is the loss of electron, reduction is the gain of electron. Oxygen and hydrogen transfer, gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen is oxidation, loss of oxygen and gain of hydrogen is reduction. Examples are the iron rusting and copper oxide reduction, which we have already seen. Next is the mnemonic. Mnemonic you can easily learn. For oxidation it is oil, and for reduction it is Reg. Additional example is also given, in which iron is reacted with oxygen to form iron oxide. So oxygen is added, it is simply oxidation. Copper plus 2 is gaining 2 electrons to form copper. You can simply call it as reduction because of the gain of electrons. Now here there are two plus charges. One I had put it by mistake here. I am going to remove it. When you are writing this, just remove a single plus sign. Now this is all about the difference of reduction reaction. That's it for today. Now keep visiting the channel, subscribe so that you can get the latest updates about the upcoming lectures.